Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your sensei Tanim. Today I'm back with another tutorial, and this time, I'm going to show you my CC. A lot of you have been asking for it, so finally, here it is. Make sure to watch till the end and try it out on your edits. And yeah, don't forget to comment if you like it. Also, don't skip the video, I'll explain how you can make your edits look like mine. So, let's go. Before we begin, I want to tell you something important, so listen carefully. There are 4 things you need to know before using my CC. Always use shadow-colored PNGs for your edits. This CC is not made for colored PNGs or animations. Always try to decrease your background brightness, it helps the CC look much better. Use a good aura, you can check out my aura tutorial if you don't have one. Do not apply black bars, white lines, or text before adding the CC, first finish your edit, then enhance the quality, apply the CC, and finally add black bars, white lines, and text. If you ignore these steps, the CC won't look good. If you've understood everything I said, then let's get into the tutorial.